On this episode of Tinkering with Tony, we watch part 2 of him disassembling his Ford FE motor. Let's see if he can continue his luck with this almost pristine motor from 1966. Watch it all here on Tinkering with Tony.
Tony G here. We are continuing with the FE Ford motor dismantling so we can take it and have it sent out to have the block done. So far we got 4 of the pistons out. You want to see? They're beautiful. They're really, for this year of a car, everything is in pristine condition. The bearings are really nice. The person that owned this motor really took good care of it. So now on to the big job. We're going to pull the other 4 pistons out because it's got a date with the engine shop tomorrow. Okay,
what are you going to get done at the engine shop?
It's going to have new cam bearings put in. It's going to have the cylinders deglazed and made sure everything is perfectly round. And hot tank, they're going to clean it all up for me, make it look like brand new. And put new soft plugs in.
Next time you see it, it'll be a baby.
Okay, trick to this is take them off. Pull the cap off. Sometimes you gotta take a persuader, they call it. This is a persuader. Just give it a little tap.
Show it a little love.
There it goes. See how it just dropped down? And you take the cap off. Come on, cap. Here she comes. You know, it says a she. Okay. I usually set that on the side. Get my 2 rubber hoses. Put them on. Ask me, why am I putting rubber hoses on them bolts? That's because I do not want to mark up my crankshaft. I don't want to put no nicks in it. Nicks are no good. Tap it down. There she goes. She said, hello. Hello, my name is Piston.
Pistol. It's one pistol. And it is a girl.
Okay. What I usually do is I put these back together. Take the rubber hoses off. Piston. If you look, there's the oil hole right there and a flat spot. You look at your cup. Find the oil hole and the flat spot, and you made them. And this one here is, you can see the oil hole. That puts the oil when the motor's spinning to keep that lubricated. And put the nuts back on so I don't lose them.
So lose your nuts.
Another piston comes out.
The one push wonder. Yeah. Let's do it. Oh, we're very close. Oh! I'll count it as one in hand.
Yeah, this baby. The burners off. Look at the condition of these bearings. They don't even look like they're in there very long. I'm gonna take this with me to my one room. Show the engine builder. Get his opinion. Look at this. Look at that. How easy that turns with nothing in its way. What we Do that side first then.
What do you say?
Papa's watches what do they do?
Who's Papa? Oh,
Are you Papa?
and you're your own pit crew?
Oh, yes. See my grandson when he was born. My daughter got me this shirt and him that shirt. So we both have a shirt when he was a baby.
Aw, that's cute.
Now we're gonna start by removing the crankshaft out of this baby. You gotta take all these main caps off.
They all smell the same.
Got it.
Isn't it funny? I was just thinking that. I'm like, man, these all freaking smell the same. When you pick them up.
Burnt oil. All you do is grab the 2 bolts. Look at these burn nice there. Wow. Get kind of slimy.
Slimy. Extra lime.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. So what you're saying to the audience is why don't I go? Did you see it move? Very little.
Yeah, very little. Then you might get a little.
Go this way.
You gotta Dave redeem yourself.
Watch this one here, John.
Oh yeah. That one has way more play in it.
2 hours later.
He's almost there.
You want to trade?
You know why this one's gonna be harder? Can I tell you why?
Is it the thrust one?
Yes, it is. It's got
Oh.
the bearing wraps around it to keep the crank from walking back and forth. That's why you got the. What'd you do? Save that for last. How you doing, David?
Oh, fantastic. I'll get this one because you started it for me.
Are you having fun yet, Dave?
Oh, I'm having a blast. There we go. I got one.
Good job.
Dorian.
This one's gonna be the fun one because it's got the seal in it.
Oh.
Because the seal's right here. See the wedges?
Oh, okay.
That's a seal that sucks in there, pulls everything tight.
Here, we'll switch.
Get it to move.
Only as much as you did. You have a lot of faith in this engine, Stan?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You get it? It's already out. Thanks, David. You did a good job.
Yeah, no problem.
Keep this up. You can get a t-shirt too. Papa's Pit Crew.
There you go. I like that.
Not like a glove. Tony has tricks. Look out, world.
You gotta feel how tight that is coming out.
Looks tight.
It is. It is super tight. Spin this baby. Give me a little more leverage.
Yeah, she ain't flying nowhere.
She is. She's getting it. She's coming. She's a coming.
Coming around the mountain? Oh, yeah.
Now it's got the old rope seal in there.
The up and around rope seal?
Yes, it is. Let's see. So that's the rear main. If you look, there's. Fast
Lucky.
lick. If you look, there's a rope seal. See the rope seal right there? That's what they used to use back in the older days. I believe they make a rubber seal for it now. Oh. Grab that and pull up a little bit. Okay, got it. Now I can show you why this was so hard. You can see it's got a bearing on the sides. It's called a thrust bearing. And what that does is keeps this crankshaft from going back and forth like it would right now. If you took that crank, it would move back and forth. There we go. Send it up on its end. There is the crankshaft. And they say that you can tell that that is an FE Ford motor crankshaft anywhere in any junkyard just by the length of the snout.
Really?
This snout, normal snout is to this keyway sticking out of the motor. This has got an extra 5-6 inches to it. Hey, iPhone, what's there? Oh. So you can tell it's this
You see it?
Oh yeah.
motor has never been apart. It's all original, and it's in really great shape. So this motor's got to be very low mileage.
Oh yeah, hold it there. Hold it there.
So how many horsepower is your LS motor gonna have?
Why?
I just want to know.
Are you guys gonna race?
Yeah.
We'll see who wins.
I'll race against his my big
Ford versus Chevy.
my Falcon.
Falcon versus Camarillo.
Yeah, Camarillo. Falcon. Seal that goes on the sides of this.
What is it?
A wedge seal. That goes on the side of the rear main seal, rear main cap. Okay, let's take this one out. Because I want to set this in there and I don't want to fight getting it out again. There it goes. Yippee! He did it! Yay!
They say,
Give that Chevy man a drink.
steady me out.
Watch the difference now.
Oh, look at that.
We got no problems putting this baby in there now. So when he gets it, he can look at it, do what he's got to do to make it right, make it fast, so I can beat that Camaro. But it's all going to be stock, so I don't understand why he's worried about it.
I'm not sweating.
You put pistons in yours?
Yeah, I put some flat top pistons in.
See? Me, I'm gonna have all stock. It's gonna be a stock motor.
Stock, bone stock.
Bone stock except for a little bit of can.
Well, then that's not bone stock.
Yeah, it is. It's one step up. It'd be actually a 428 camshaft I'm putting in. That's it.
She's all tightened up. Next time we'll see her, she'll be all cleaned up.
Nice and blue.
Nice and blue.
Ooh,
That all fell out here.
gross.
That's what he's gonna clean out. The next time you will see me and this big bad motor will be on the rebuild side. I'm putting it back together. So until further, I'll do. See ya shortly. Bye.